Good morning, students. Welcome to our value education class. In previous classes, we already completed two lessons. On request of some of the students, today I will tell you the answers of the lessons. Open your textbook. Lesson number 1, Education, the basis of values. Before going to the lesson, let me tell you a short story. The Wise Old Man. A wealthy man requested an old scholar to wean his son away from his bad habits. The scholar agreed and he took the boy for a stroll through a garden. Stopping suddenly, he asked the boy to pull out a tiny plant growing there. The boy held the plant between his thumb and forefinger and pulled it out. The old man then asked him to pull out a slightly bigger plant. The youth pulled hard and the plant came out roots and all. Now pull out that one, said the old man, pointing to a bush. The boy had to use all his strength to pull it out. Now take this one out, said the old man, indicating a guava tree. The boy grasped the trunk and tried to pull it out, but it would not move. It is impossible, said the boy, panting with the effort. So it is with bad habits, said the old man. When they are young, it is easy to pull them out, but when they take hold, they cannot be uprooted. This session with the old man changed the boy's life. So, moral of the lesson, don't let the bad habits grow in you. When they are small, you can pluck them out. But when they grow big, they stay with you. So, children, stay away from bad habits from the beginning because it is very difficult to get rid of them later. Now, come to the exercise. Section 1, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. The ultimate purpose of life is to get more wealth. False. Certain values must guide our decisions and motivate our actions. True. Education helps us to choose between right and wrong. True. Number 4. If wealth is lost, everything is lost. False. Number 5. Values guide us in our quest for knowledge and happiness. True. Section 2. Fill in the blank. Number 1. The ultimate aim of life is to get happiness. Number two, we should learn the teachings from our elders. Number three, education helps us to set our aim in life. Number four, values of honesty, love, loyalty, compassion, and courage are to be developed from young age. Number 5. Lord Buddha was compassionate to animals and birds. Now, section 3. Answer the questions. You do it yourself because all the answers of these questions are in the lesson only. But just I will give you a hint how to write the answers. Question number 1. How does education helps us to realize the goal of life? Education helps us realize our potential and set our aim in life. Using God given talents, we can achieve success and happiness in life. Number 2. Which ethical values must be cultivated for the formation of good character? Values of honesty, love, loyalty, perseverance, compassion, courage, etc. are to be cultivated for the formation of good character. Number 3. What is the ultimate objective of life? How can you achieve it? The ultimate objective of life is happiness. To achieve it, we have to discharge our duties sincerely. We must make good use of time and opportunities. And we should learn the teachings from our elders and great personalities. We must set an aim in life and try our utmost to pursue it with all our efforts. That's all. Thank you.